Have you understood this? Listen. Same sum na. Shh. Same sum. Write this as part A. This as part A. Write part A. Please write this as A. Please write this as A. Write part B. Covariance between x comma y is equals to question mark. Covariance formula I have not given. Now I'll give you. Okay. Covariance x comma y is equals to question mark. R is equals to question mark. Listen. Covariance formula. Please listen. Covariance formula is what? Summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n. 1 minute. If you remember, 1 minute. If you remember, standard deviation had two formulas, correct? You can copy later. Listen carefully. Standard deviation has two formulas. One is root of summation x minus x bar the whole square upon n. Let's talk about variance because we are more interested in covariance. So this is variance. Another formula was what? Summation x square upon n minus x bar square. Correct? 1 minute. Here it was movement between x and x. Here it was movement between x and x. Correct now? So covariance formula was what? Summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n. According to this formula, what should be the covariance formula? Summation x into x. Instead of x, what will come? xy upon n. X bar into x bar. X bar into y bar. Understood? So simple. Is this clear? So two formulas. Therefore, you should not miss the lectures. Please write this formula. Please write this formula. Covariance, two formulas. Okay. Covariance means co-movement. Covariance means co-movement. Correlation means what? Relation between two things. Is this clear? Listen. Now, in case if I want to apply the second formula, covariance between x comma y is summation xy upon n minus x bar into y bar. Summation xy was how much in the question? 440 divided by 20. X bar I don't know. Can I find x bar? Summation x upon n. Answer 80 by 20. Answer is 4. Can I find y bar? Summation y by n 100 by 20 is equals to what? 5. So 4 into 5. Give me the answer. Answer is 2. Now I can find R also I can find. Listen. Standard deviation of x. Later you can copy. Root of summation x square upon n minus x bar square. Summation x square is how much? Check in the question. 400 divided by 20 minus mean. Mean is 4. 4 square. Just now we calculated answer. Answer is 2. 400 divided by 20 is how much? 20. 20 minus 16. 4. 4 square is 2. Standard deviation of y. I am not writing the formula. Summation y square is how much? 524 divided by 20. Mean of y is how much? 5. So 5 square. Come on, give me the answer. 1.09. 1.09. So once I know this formula, listen. Shh. R is equals to covariance x comma y upon standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. Covariance is how much? 2. 2 upon 2 into 1.09. 1.09. 2 divided by 0.91. Is it same? The same what we got previously, yes or no? So anyways you can solve. Understood? But if you know the formula, it becomes, I think, easy. Correct? Please copy this also. There is no shortcut for this chapter. Shortcut means formulas you should know. There's only one trick what we can apply in regression. Otherwise, the full chapter now you should know the formulas. And as such, they don't ask this such lengthy sums in the exam. Very rare. Only once they have asked. In recent exams, only once they have asked this. Should I scroll down? Copy this first. Then you can copy the right side. See, now everything is on the screen. You can see now. Should I zoom in? Do you want me to zoom in? Done? Completed now? Shall we proceed? Chalo. We'll do one sum and then we will take break. Right? Calculate R. Right? Calculate R. If they ask you such sums now, they'll give you small numbers. They will never give you big numbers. Okay? X is 2, 5, 3, 8, 10, 12. Y is 3, 6, 4, 9, 11, 13. Okay. Now obviously I have to calculate R. So formula for R is what? N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y upon under root n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square. Correct? Into under root n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. So from the formula what I can make out? See, I want summation xy. So x into y should be multiplied. Then I should take the total. Yes or no? Summation x I want. Summation y I want. Right? X square I want. Correct? And y square I want. Is this clear? Understood? Give me the totals. Summation x is how much? 40. Summation y? 46. xy? You people are super fast. X square summation? 346. Wow. Y square summation? 4. 432. Now I can apply the formula, yes or no? Come on, apply the formula. Give me the answer. 6 into 386 minus 40 into 46 upon under root 6 into 346 minus 40 square under root 6 into 432 minus summation wise 46 the whole square. Final answer you people are giving? Final answer is 1. Great. Check, listen. Why we got 1? Because see, when x was 2, y is 3. When x increases, y also increase. Correct? When it is 3, 4, same direction. Right now? Understood? 8, 9, it increased, this also increased. Increased, increased. Increase, increase. Therefore, exactly 1 we will get. Understood? Clear? Huh? Clear? Okay.